InkFrog is a dropshipping software that can streamline your e-commerce store, but before committing, there are 12 key things you need to know about it. Stick around till the end because we'll compare it to competitors and help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. First, InkFrog is a software mainly designed to integrate with eBay, allowing dropshippers to sync products, manage orders, and track inventory. However, one thing you need to keep in mind is that it's not as flexible as other tools when it comes to integrating with platforms outside of eBay. If you're planning on selling across multiple platforms, you might find it limiting compared to other software like Shopify or WooCommerce. Next, the platform offers some powerful listing management tools. You can create, edit, and optimize eBay listings with ease. InkFrog allows for bulk edits and makes it easy to import product details directly from suppliers. But one downside is that its listing optimization features aren't as advanced as some competitors. For instance, tools like Sale have stronger optimization for better targeting and ad management. The third thing to know is its pricing model. InkFrog charges on a subscription basis with different tiers depending on your usage needs. While affordable for smaller sellers, the cost can add up for larger businesses. Competitors like Shopify also charge monthly fees, but tend to offer more in terms of features and scalability, so it's important to weigh the cost-benefit depending on the size of your operation. The fourth thing is that InkFrog supports a wide range of third-party integrations. It connects with suppliers and other dropshipping platforms like AliExpress. But while it does support integrations, the process can be a little clunky, especially if you're trying to link up multiple suppliers. It doesn't provide as seamless of an experience as some other tools that are dedicated to dropshipping, like Oberlo. Next up is customer support. InkFrog offers various support channels, including email and live chat. But based on user reviews, response times can be inconsistent, especially during peak hours. This is a point where InkFrog falls short compared to its competitors like Shopify, which offers round-the-clock customer support and a broader knowledge base for troubleshooting. The sixth thing is its inventory and order management features. InkFrog does an excellent job of syncing your eBay inventory and ensuring stock levels are updated. However, it struggles when it comes to automatically updating stock levels across other platforms. If you're using multiple sales channels, you'll need to manually update inventory, unlike with tools like Sellbrite, which syncs across multiple platforms in real time. The seventh thing to know is InkFrog's product research capabilities. It doesn't have the same extensive product research tools as some of its competitors. Software like AutoDS, for instance, allows you to find trending products and suppliers much more efficiently. InkFrog is better for managing existing products, but if you need advanced research features, you may need to look elsewhere. The eighth thing to keep in mind is the ease of use. InkFrog has a user-friendly interface, especially for eBay sellers. It's relatively easy to set up and start syncing products. However, it might not be as intuitive if you're a newcomer to e-commerce or dropshipping, especially compared to platforms like Shopify, which are known for their simple, drag-and-drop interfaces. The ninth thing is scalability. InkFrog works great for smaller dropshipping businesses or those focusing primarily on eBay. But as your business grows, you might run into limitations when it comes to scaling up. Competitors like Shopify offer more scalable solutions that can grow with your business, making them a better option for larger operations. The 10th point is its reporting and analytics. InkFrog offers basic reports to help you track your sales and inventory. However, it lacks more advanced analytics features found in platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. These tools offer deeper insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and product performance, which can help you make data-driven decisions to improve your business. The 11th thing is its automation capabilities. InkFrog does offer some automation for product syncing and order fulfillment, but it's not as robust as some other tools. Platforms like Dropify and Oberlo provide more comprehensive automation, allowing you to automatically update product pricing, handle order processing, and more. Finally, InkFrog is a solid option for those specifically focused on eBay, but it's not the best option for multi-channel dropshipping. It doesn't offer the same level of integration and automation as other dropshipping platforms. If you're looking for a better solution, you might want to explore other tools like Shopify or Oberlo.